Hello everyone, this is Fully Booked Podcast. I am Lexi and this is
Anna.
And today we want to talk about an impressive tool, our ChatGPT, and how we use ChatGPT these days. And so ChatGPT actually help us to save our time, create new fresh ideas, for our social media. And Anna, how we can implement, ChatGPT in beauty industry?
Yeah, ChatGPT, it's a new tool that I discovered for myself a few months ago. And now I can't imagine to create otherwise the content ideas and generating captions and so much more that it can offer. It's definitely a step forward in our industry. We should be using it. I know a lot of people think that this is a big no-no. So was I, but it's definitely a step ahead. One of the first things that I would like to mention is how ChatGPT can generate ideas for our social media content. As per example, brainstorm post ideas. If you're going to ask ChatGPT, create 10 ideas for engaging posts for a nail studio, it will break you down 10 ideas. Or for example, which are the trending topics in the nail industry at the moment that are mostly discussed. ChatGPT will analyze the market, analyze the social media, and will give you the most trending information at the moment about engaging posts. Then we can ask as well the real ideas. If you don't know, if you're just creating reels about the process, there is so much more. There is before and after, there is tutorials, there is a nail art, there is instruments, there is the location, and if you don't know how to present that to your customer through a reel on social media, you can actually ask so much more. We will talk about that a little bit later.
Let's start from the beginning. So we can start our journey with ChatGPT, I think, from creating a strategy. First, it would be nice to create first a strategy, and after ChatGPT help us to first create the strategy, and after it helps to create the
totally
content.
agree. A lot of people don't know. If you go on ChatGPT and you ask him correctly, create a strategy, a marketing strategy for my social media or for a business, a nail studio, it will create a whole strategy, everything starting from marketing, social media, advertising, everything will be broken down for you. This is such a budget tool where you don't need to break the bank and hire a marketing team or team member to build it up for you. You can do it actually only with ChatGPT. You will be surprised. Just go online, go on ChatGPT and ask him to create your strategy, and it will break you down in so many things you can do actually for your business, and planning as well, how to plan all these things and how to do all of them.
A great tool for us.
Yeah.
Okay, next, if we're talking about Instagram posts, any posts, so it helps us to create the correct caption, engaging captions.
Yes. If you ask again correctly, ChatGPT, it can create you engaging captions. Quite often, we have no clue what to write under the post. You created a nice picture, you don't know how to relate it with what, but you want really to post it, but you have no clue what to write on it or under it, and how to engage people actually into these posts. ChatGPT is a great solution for that. If you ask, how can I create an engaging post under a picture, and you can describe actually what is on the picture, or you can describe the subject that you want the ChatGPT to develop the things onto. For example, engaging caption about the tools in the salon, engaging caption about the team in the salon. It will transform you that information into a very precise, nicely worded caption.
Okay, what about hashtags and SEO?
Yeah, SEO optimization. This is one of the tools that we are using on our websites. on our Google pages, and what we are creating for them is actual posts for a blog. ChatGPT will use keywords specifically for your niche, for your customers, and will implement that into the captions that you need to write under. And the hashtags, for example, top 10 hashtags for a salon in Marlow or in London. It will analyze the hashtags that are used, of course, but I would advise on these hashtags to add something from yours as well, more specifically to the location. I would look into what hashtags are being used and adjust it a little bit, because of course ChatGPT is not perfect, but it's a tool that we can use for ourselves.
Okay. When we're talking about scripts for our reels, yeah, and for our videos, how it helps?
It helps to, it's more like a guideline. Yeah, it's like a little guideline, what video you need to take on which step, how to describe it, what to say, how to put the voiceover. It gives you an idea. It's like having a scenario for your reel, and you're just taking the step-by-step guidance, what you have to do. So for people who have no clue how to make a reel, they have no understanding where to start, I think ChatGPT is a great tool. You just follow the instruments. For example, if you're gonna ask ChatGPT to write you a script for a reel about your nail studio, it will show you, or it will write to you like the first 3 seconds of your entrance into the nail studio, and then it will say you next 3 seconds you should film the instruments. The next 3 seconds you're for example filming the polishes. So it will just break down everything what you need to film, how to do it, and you are just choosing the perspective and how you can do it.
Much money you can save on it?
Yeah, definitely. Like starting from a marketing strategy and finishing with even to the content creating.
Yeah, like
I mean, there is so many professions will disappear soon. I'm so sorry to say that, but it's just so budget friendly as well. It's free of charge, literally free of charge. Use it as much as you like. It's fascinating what it can do and bring it to your business.
Engaging with followers, how we can use it, ChatGPT, to engage with our followers?
Engaging with followers and with your customers is usually through messages, DMs, emails, and again, it's a marketing strategy, follow-up emails. ChatGPT can nicely write it for you. You don't need to think about too much of the wording, how to do it. Do I write it correctly or do I spell it correctly? It doesn't matter. ChatGPT will do it everything for you, from answering to bad reviews, in a very professional manner, in a very delicate approach. ChatGPT is there for you to do all of that stuff for you. You know, message the client, send a reminder. Wording, especially wording, is really, really great. It's not going to do the job for you. You still need to send the message, but it will word it in a very nice manner. Or answering for comments on your social media as well. Or for example, if it is a Twitter message, it can you can repurpose as well. For example, an Instagram post into a Twitter post. It can repurpose the content as well, because you can't really, whatever you're posting on one platform, you should change the meaning or the wording for a different platform. So ChatGPT or AI tools are created for specifically that purpose. Just eases the wording, and or maybe from a bigger content, create it a little bit more smaller, just compress all that information to be more precise, where the opportunity is not fair on some of the social medias. People don't really like to read too much, and you want to compress everything. I think this is a perfect tool to do that. So ChatGPT pretty much will help you to create the content. For example, give me top 10 reels ideas. We'll create you a content plan for 30 days. will create you stories for your social media, ideas, what sort of content you should be filming and creating in order to post. Maybe you can ask it to analyze your profile and add some new keywords for your CEO website, for your blog, whatever is your interest, how to DM, how to email, or all of those things. I think ChatGPT is incredible, and you should be using that tool. It's free, it's available. The trick is about ChatGPT is wording. If it doesn't give you the right information that you are picturing in your head that it should be giving you, twist it, change it, and try to work around that, because the ChatGPT as well has memory. So it wouldn't work in the first place until it learns, you're a nail studio, you're a nail technician, you have a team, it's located in London, and then according to that, it will give you the information that you need. So you kind of educate ChatGPT around your necessities.
And it sounds quite scary.
It sounds quite scary, but it's a tool, and we should be learning from it, and we should be introducing it. And I think this is the future of the AI, which we will talk probably in a different podcast, about the chatbots and about the free consultations that you can create and implement into your business. Is definitely the future after it. That was pretty much about it, about ChatGPT. I hope that really helps someone out there who is struggling with the content, who is struggling how to create it and what to film. And it's impressive what we can do in our days. And I'm sure lots of bloggers are using that opportunity. Lots of nail technicians are using and starting to implement that in their work. So if you don't know how to work with social media, ask ChatGPT. Pretty much that was it.
Thank you very much.
And I will see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.